Welcome back. Indian skies will soon open up to a foreign carrier, Scoot. The low-cost and medium-haul arm of Singapore Airlines Group will start flying to and from India from the 24th of May, starting with flights to Chennai, Amritsar and Jaipur. The low-cost carrier will follow an aggressive pricing model and has announced inaugural one-way promotional fares starting from $64 only. With the entry of Scoot, parent Singapore Airlines becomes the largest international airline group operating in India in terms of their number of destinations. Joining in now from Singapore is the CEO, Campbell Wilson. Wilson, welcome on the show. My first question to you is, how long do you expect the routes to actually break even?
Chennai, obviously, there's a very large South Indian population in Singapore. The route is already served by Tiger Air, which is our sister company, and we're taking over the route from them so we can add more capacity with our 787 Dreamliners to the route. So we expect that to perform well from quite early days. Amritsar is a market that the Singapore Airlines Group used to serve, pulled out a few years ago, but we think it's timely now to re-enter. There's obviously a large Punjabi diaspora, big Sikh community overseas, and so we think that has pretty good prospects in the medium term. Jaipur, we think, is a bit more developmental. Clearly, it's a very attractive city. There's a huge tourism potential. It's been the star of many films, of course. But we think that's going to be more of an inbound tourism market, not just from Singapore, but from Asia, Australasia, New Zealand, US perhaps. That's more of a long-term development play.
Campbell, but I want to understand where India stands in Scooter's bigger picture. If you look at the overall global footprint, where will India stand? Take the 5-year horizon.
Australia and China, Taiwan, all competitive routes, and we've made a good show of things on those. In our October-December quarter, we made $18 million profit. With our aircraft type, a 787, and our seat density and the product, we have an unbeatable unit cost, which therefore allows us to have an unbeatable price. And when we have an unbeatable price, clearly you attract a large segment of the market. And so India is really going to be no different. We're very confident in the price we can put in the market, very confident about the product we can put into the market. We're confident about the demand, especially from Chennai and Amritsar, and that we can build demand to Jaipur. So we're not afraid of entering India. No market is easy in the beginning. It takes time. But I think we've proved over our last 3.5 years that we've been able to create markets, build markets, and operate a profitable airline.
All right, Campbell Wilson, we'll leave it at that. Many thanks for joining in on the show. So Scoot is the new carrier entering the Indian skies. But